Hey guys, and welcome. It's me and Morgan today, and we're finishing up our last resort video, guys. Today we're over here and we're going to be walking through that resort right there, the big triangle cheese wedge I call it. That's the Dolphin Hotel, one of Walt Disney World's hotel resorts. And that right there in front of us is the Swan Resort. But we're not actually going into the Swan. That waterway right there is going to take you guys over to Hollywood Studios. But today we're going to make our way around to the big cheese wedge over there. That's the Dolphin Hotel. And if you guys look, you see the Friendship boat there. Keep your eyes peeled, guys. Friendship boats, a lot of them are changing colors. You've got red roofs, blue roofs, white roofs. Now, as you guys get down past that walkway from Boardwalk over here, this is what the main entrance looks like going into the Dolphin Resort. Now, this one's got a more grand entrance than going into the Swan. This one is my favorite out of the two hotels and out of the Swan Reserve over in that direction right there in the background. You can see it. But this is my favorite because this has all the items you're looking for in one spot. So all them, you got the Swan Reserve, you got the Swan, and you got the Dolphin. They all share off of the Dolphin Resort, from the pools to the arcades, guys. Now we're up at the spinning turnstile here, and we're actually going to walk on in. You're going to push that door there. And now we're through. So now we're on the inside lobby area, but this is not really the main lobby. It's downstairs where you come in. The big lobby is going to be the main floor upstairs there, up the escalators. Right now we're actually getting it ready to head into, as you guys can see it, the Blue Zoo. Now this is one of the bar restaurants that's right as you guys walk in. It's got the waterfall right there as you're walking in on the glass. And this is a look. They said we could come in and do a little bit of filming in here without going around because they do got a big convention going on here. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I do believe we have this video posted in the Country Bear Tours underneath the Dolphin Hotel. So if you guys want to go to countrybeartours.com, click on the Resorts tab, go into the Dolphin, and I believe we have it posted right in there. This is a look at the inside of this restaurant, guys. Let's head on back outside. We'll make our way around this big old hotel. So we're making our way upstairs. You're going to go up the escalator, guys. So when you come in, you can either go to the right, go into the Blue Zoo. You can go to the left, go over to the ice cream shop. They got a little restaurant down the hall there. But right now we're going straight up the escalator to where all the life is in this hotel. Right up here. So when you guys get upstairs, you're greeted with either going straight into the main open area, which is the main kind of like lobby. But we're going to take a left and head on down, and the left and right is either Shula's or it's the spa on the right-hand side. That's all the way down the hall right there. We're going to get to that a little bit later, guys. But right now we're going to head on down to Shula's, and I'm going to show you what the outside of that restaurant looks like. We're going to look into the windows because that restaurant isn't going to open up till about 5 o'clock tonight, somewhere around there. So we walked through a little bit earlier, and everything is all shut down, so you can't get in there. One of these days I'm actually going to do a walkthrough inside, but I'm just never here at the right time to do it, so we'll keep trying. But right now we're making our way down. There you go. There's some pictures on the wall, some history of Don Shula. And if you guys aren't familiar with him, he used to coach the Miami Dolphins. And we're making our way down here. This is the grand entrance to this restaurant, and let's take a peek in the windows. Very formal in there, very formal, guys. And this is a restaurant at the Dolphin Hotel. So if you guys haven't been over here, this is where it is. Now we're back out, we're going straight on. So we turned around backwards where we just were, and now we're heading down the hallway here, past the elevators. And the elevators are on both ends of this place. So you can be down near the spa or over here, but it takes you out over here. We're next to Fuel. Now Fuel is kind of like a little, what are you going to call it? It's a little bit of like a restaurant slash, you can go in there, general store, a little bit of, you can get food, drinks, stuff like that in there. And right now, here's one of the shops. I'm going to give you guys a little peek in there. This is their pretty much their general store. And then right next to it, they also have another store, which is going to be mostly all this stuff down here. It's all like the gifts and stuff like that. So now we're actually making our way out of that whole section where the store and the general store is. We're back out in the main area. So this is the center. You can see how pretty and big this place is. Right now it's all decorated out with IBM and the AI because we're having a convention down here. So this whole hotel, guys, if you're not familiar with these places, these are all wrapped around the conventions, kind of like the contemporary. Here's the fuel that I was telling you about. It's kind of like a little restaurant kind of like a fast food restaurant. You go in there, you choose everything along the outside, you get a sandwich, you guys get to pick what you want, they got seating in there, and you can recharge your cell phones and stuff like that while you're in there. So it's kind of like a little mini restaurant slash, I don't know, a little food area where you're going to go and get some food. And then you're going to make your way down around the outside. Now, where we're walking right now goes 360 degrees right around the whole center. And in the middle is where everyone hooks up. There's a bar in there. It's a big lounge in there. But I'm going to give you guys a little view of the outsides looking out. You can go out the doors right there. And we're going to keep making our way down. And I'm going to give you guys a peek of what's inside the middle as we make our way down here. There's the IBM stuff right there. A little bit more walking before I head right through there. Here's your main check-in area. So when you guys come in, that's where you guys are going to be going to check in over here at the Dolphin. I'll go right around the corner and then I want to make my way out to the middle of the center area. Give you guys a better view. We don't need to do the whole 360 degree walk around right here. We'll just go into the middle. But this does go all the way around the outside of this, so if you guys aren't familiar with it, it goes around and then you got the big old pillars. But right now we're coming in the middle. And as you guys can see, they've got the big screen out here. This is where you guys are going to be hanging out. If you're part of the seminar, part of the convention, this is where you guys are going to be. And this is your bar right there. There's probably something playing on that big wide screen right now, you know, talking about what's going on right now here, the inventions of the AI and stuff like that with IBM. You got the fountain in the middle. And at nighttime this lights up, so it looks really cool when you guys get in here. But right now, we'll just keep making our way through. You can see it's a big lounge, lots of chairs and stuff like that. You get your drinks and stuff. So it's kind of like a hangout out here. There's some palm trees in here. I'll look back quick, give you guys one more shot at that before we walk away. And right now, we're actually out in the hallway again. We went right straight through there, and we're right across from Shula's, and we're going down to the little spa that's all the way down the end of the hall here. Now, let's see if this is open. Every time I'm over here, it's never open, so we never get lucky enough to get in there. But you can see they've got the signage out there and here, the Mandara Spa. Little lounge in here where you guys are coming in. They got the big welcome mat there. Give you guys a look down the hall. If you guys don't want to go in, you can actually continue down the hall, head over to the elevators. And that's the other second set of elevators. And we are lucky today. The spa is open. I've never seen the doors open. So let's peek in here quick. I'm not going to the spa today, so I'm just going to give you guys a look around. And now we've left that area, we went down to the elevators, and we're going to go upstairs. Now we're actually down on the Shula side. I went all the way back down to Shula with Morgan's. You've got to jump around, so bear with us, guys. This is an incredibly huge hotel. Now, if you're walking this and you're going to edit this, this video is going to be probably 40 minutes long, maybe longer. So we do have to cut some scenes out just because we want to get you guys the video without getting you guys bored to death either. But we're heading up as high as we can get here. We're going to walk out. I want to show you what the hallways look like. And they've got a window up here. Now, I knew about this window previously, never looked at it, but here you go, guys. You're up above the world looking down. This is an incredible view up here. It's kind of like, almost like the view room over at the Swan Reserve, but you don't see as much stuff over there. You get to see the Magic Kingdom, the boardwalk, the yacht, the beach, and Hollywood Studios. So we've left upstairs. We're obviously heading back down the escalators, guys. We're back down near the Blue Zoo, and we're heading on down the hallway now. So we're gonna bank right where we originally started, and we're gonna go right on past. There's a little ice cream stand here. We're gonna take a peek at that. You got fountains over there. So you got a little restaurant right there. You've got a second one up here. You can see the sign up above. Rose of Mexico. Let's take a peek in there quick. This gives you guys a better idea. This is actually really pretty. I think I want to come over and try this restaurant out actually. But we're going to be doing a lot more of the restaurants and behind the scenes as our channel grows, guys. Right now, it's all out of our pockets, so just bear with us. As we grow, we're going to be doing a lot more for you guys, and we do want to be giving away a lot of stuff. Right now, we're down here. Obviously, the sign. We just took a left. We're heading down the hallway here, and look what we got. You got some tables set up in here. That's kind of cool. And we're going to keep heading on down the hall. We got an arcade up on the right-hand side. We're going to go past Morgan, look out the window here over at the Swan Hotel. And we're going to head on down to the arcade down here on the right-hand side, guys. So there's an arcade right here. Now, all three of these hotels are going to use this arcade because this is the only one that has this area. And we're now out back. We just went out the doors. So you guys are looking around. You see the Swan Reserve right there. That's the new hotel they just built. And we're actually heading back towards the pool. That's the beach over yonder there. And some cut of video, and we're all the way back near the pool, guys. And like I said, bear with us. This is a very long resort. Right there are them swan boats, so you guys can do the paddle boats if you want. Get out there. I think I've only seen them out one time. Here's a look back at the actual hotel. When I get out further, we'll get a better view of that. There's a look at the pool, and this pool is actually split into 3 different sections. You've got this section over here, you've got a round section as we get up around the corner here near that little store, and then the back part of the pool. So it's kind of like 3 pools in one. It's really weird. It's a unique pool, but it's really cool. And what I like about this place, guys, even if you're not staying here, this is an incredible place to walk at nighttime. These paths are all lit up. You've got the pools all over the place, the glowing lights. This is a really nice place to come and walk. So if you're over at the boardwalk and you've got time, nothing else to do, I'd head over here and walk around this. There's your little store outside. There's one of the pools right there. That's the one we just walked by looking at the big dolphin up there. So this is the first part. This is the second part, this round section right there. And over behind this little shop here, there's another section. Let me make my way back here.
Okay, sir.
It's a very unique pool, the grotto pool. And here's a look back there where it starts. It's a beautiful pool. It's got a lot to offer too. All right, so we got around all that mess over there. We're back out in front of the pool. You see the waterfall in the background? This is what I'm talking about. You can sit underneath the waterfall. They've got chairs set up there. You've got a slide that comes down. You've got the tubes all over the place. And this is, once again, a whole nother section of this pool. This is a really, really big pool. I would think that this is going to be like second to the beach club pool, the sand bottom. I'd say this is probably going to be my second favorite pool on property. And it could be my first favorite, but it's a real nice pool. It's an awesome pool. I'm not really a fan of this section over here. I like this part behind us. But let's make our way around. We're going to keep walking around this walkway I was telling you about. You can go all the way over to the Swan Reserve, which I really wouldn't do because there's nothing to do over there. You can look, check out the resort and stuff like that, the hotel. But if you're just walking around the trails and you like to walk, do the loop over at the boardwalk. You've got the yacht club, the beach club. Walk around those are fun. I not really have too much fun over at the beach club villas, but the yacht, the beach, the boardwalk, come over here to do the loop and then head back over. There's a lot of walking. It's real fun. You get to burn some calories while you're walking, and there's a lot of visual to see. As you can see, we're still walking, we're still talking, and this pool is still going on. It's crazy. You got the waterfall behind us there, guys. It's just, this is an awesome pool. If you guys get a chance to come over and just take a peek at it, I recommend it. Here's another look back at the hotel from another side angle. It's the Dolphin Hotel, guys. And once again, this is our last tour of the resorts for this season. We're getting ready to kick off the Christmas holiday, guys. Hang with us. Keep your eyes posted for new videos. Give us a like, subscribe, share this video out, guys. If you want to see anything, leave it in the comments below. As always, Check out thecountrybeartours.com. We're going to see you guys again on the next one, but keep your eyes posted, guys, and thanks for hanging with us. See you guys in the next one.